Hello everyone, this is Joanna from Living El Salvador, and here we are. We finally got to start building a stable on our farm for the cows before winter comes. It's very exciting since we've been waiting for this for a long time. Hola mis amigos, aquí estamos. Finalmente pudimos construir un establo en nuestra granja para las vacas antes de que llegue el invierno. And there's all the girls. There's Princesa playing with her mama. Y la princesa está jugando con su mamá. Bugging her mama. There's Princesa. Look at her. She's hugging her mama. Look at her. And here is our stable construction. The posts were welded to the roof bars today, so the structure is now ready for the roof to be installed tomorrow. Yeah, it's very exciting. Aquí está nuestra estructura estable. Hoy que se soldaron los postes a las vigas del techo, así que la estructura ya está lista para que mañana se instale el techo. Hi, Nina. This guy, we still haven't named her. She's so nice and chubby, but she's also a troublemaker. Esta vaquita es muy simpática y regordeta, pero también es una alborotadora. And here's our Reina and Princesa. Princesa just finished drinking the milk. Y aquí es la Princesa con Reina. Y Princesa terminó a beber su leche. Nice and full. Look at that big belly. Just finished eating. And she drank all the milk. As you can see behind me, they're still working. It's pretty late now, but the guys are still working, welding the barn, I guess, so they can put the roof tomorrow. And here's Rambo fighting Reina. Not afraid of anybody, but look at the sky, you guys. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous sky. The clouds. So beautiful. There goes Rambo with his pochita. But look at the sky, you guys. I know. Yeah, Rambo got all licked. So he's all curly. Look at the sky. There's a Princesa. Princesa slept by herself today. The mama slept with the girls. And first thing in the morning, Princesa had some milk at breakfast. Now she's all chubby. Her belly nice and full and chubby. And Reina wants to go in with the cows already. And look, she comes. Hi, baby. Hi, Princesa. She loves us. So cute. So she slept right by the house, by Rambo. And there's Reina. Yeah, you like scratching yourself on me, huh? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. And there's our Barn coming along. They said they're going to finish it today as long as it doesn't rain. Because they have to weld. What are you doing? Scratching yourself? Yeah, so it's coming along. Should be finished as long as it doesn't rain. Cutie. Cutie. Yeah, what are you doing? Want to play? You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? She wants to play. And this girl won't let me leave. She won't let me. Everywhere I go, she follows. She wants to play. Nice and chubby. 6 weeks old. 6 weeks old. Princesa. Yeah, there's Princesa. And here's Rumble. Eating tusa. Wet tusa. Got wet. The other girls are eating their breakfast. Rumble already had his breakfast. And Pacha. She won't leave me alone. Go stay with your mama. Your mama's trying to protect you. Look at her. What are you doing? There she goes. There she goes. She's a happy girl. She likes scratchies. There's Corazon eating.
Chubby stuff. This chubby girl stuff.
Look at this Esperanza. Comes in and chases. Right here. Esperanza. And Corazon. Hola, Esperanza. Hola.
Looks like Russia. This one.
Big girl.
Evil.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Corazon and Esperanza.
But they're so quick. Like they get scared.
Oh, yeah, I know. Super quick.
They get scared.
Yeah. Look at her horns. That's our Luna. But she's so nice, too. Right, Luna? You like to say hi? Look at the horns on this girl.
Cut it.
Look at this girl. She looks scary, but she's so nice. Very nice. Big girl. Yeah, she's a big, big girl. Here's Candela.
Los padres están vistiendo o miran con la cascada.
The girls are resting. Look at this beautiful guapo. So handsome. Right, handsome? He's so beautiful. Yeah. Guapo. So beautiful. A big forehead. Big forehead. There's Oreo, Blanca, Luna. They're all resting now. There's no sun right now. And we are going to clean, but we have to fill the water because they were super dirty. We had to clean it. and fill it up again before we go work so the cows can have water. Here's my cowboy.
I don't know you that well, mister.
I know, he's still a little bit scared, yeah. He's still a little bit scared of us. Not used to it yet. There's Reina. Reina and Princessa sleeping over there. And then next time we're gonna let Reina in so she can feed Princessa. There's Guapo. And here's the little barn. For now, that's what it is. And here's the barn. There's Rumble under the barn. We built this in 3 days. They were working on it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So they're done on it now. We let the cows in to eat, and I'm ready to leave. These girls are fighting. And Rambo scratching himself in the barn. Después de 3 días, finalmente terminamos de construir un nuevo establo para nuestras vacas, justo antes de que llegaran las lluvias infernales aquí. And here's the finished stable. Nice, very nice. We haven't done the floor yet, nothing like that, but for now, that's what it is. So the girls can hide under the rain or in the shade. Y ahora las vacas pueden refugiarse bajo el establo para resguardarse del sol y la lluvia. Look at Rambo and Guapo. Look at Rambo and Guapo. Rambo will not back down. Look at them. Look. Rambo's not afraid. Y Rambo no le tiene miedo a Guapo. Le encanta molestar y desafiar a las vacas y toros. Y solo tiene 5 meses. Y se cree un niño grande. Es tremendo. Rambo the troublemaker. And he's only 5 months old. And there's Reina and Guapo. Reina and Guapo. Look at him. He does not want to leave Guapo alone. No quiere dejar el Guapo. There's the rest of the girls. And look at Rambo. Is still bugging Guapo. Y Rambo sigue molestando a Guapo. Tremendo. And so we are very happy that we finally got to build this stable, this roof for the cows. Because it already rained a little last night. So this is great. At least for now. There's Chula. There's our Blanca over there. Pregnant. And then we're gonna let the girls out on the other side over there. They're already all waiting to go down there. There's Rumble. There's Pancho over there. Y ahora vamos a llevar a las vacas al otro lado del terreno. Ya están todas esperando para ir ahí. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. Yeah.
Lots and lots. Putting a little bit, but they need it sometimes.
There's Canela. We put the feeders underneath too. And yeah, that's what it is for now. But we got it right before the first rain, so that's good. So if it does rain hard, hopefully they can hide over here. Like I said, it started raining a little bit, so they did come over here. But my husband said when it rains hard, they get scared because it's noisy. So we'll see. Once they get used to it, it's just something new for them. There's the girls.
But you guys are going to be thirsty. Ready?
Ready?
Let's go.
Where are you going, Reina? She wants to see her baby. Come on. Let's go. She wants to see. Come on. Come on. We'll come back. We're going to bring baby.
Rambo!
Rambo. Lazy Rambo. Look at this one. Hi, Reina. Hi, baby.
Her shoulder hurts, but she wants to be over there.
Yeah, and she's going to be running.
Yeah.
Come on, Princesa. Come on. Come on. Princesa. Come on. Where's Mama? Come on. Come on, Princesa. Come on. Where's Mama? Yeah, where's Mama? And she cries loud. She's a loud one. And we put a fence right over there. So that's how far they're gonna go. It goes all the way to the other side. These are babies. This is Bonita. Our Bonita. And yeah, so that's where they're gonna go as far as this fence goes. There's the fence. And over there we're gonna plant. So no cows allowed over there. First of all, because it's too steep. And they run over there. So we just wanna keep them safer over here. That's good enough for them. Y aquí es nuestra nueva cerca. Hasta aquí pueden llegar las vacas. Al otro lado de la cerca plantaremos hierba alta para las vacas, maíz y árboles frutales. We're picking up garbage again.
Oiga, ahí están.
Always walking here with garbage bag. Y siempre limpiamos la basura.
They're reading against the wall. They're walking slow. That's what I want.
Yeah, it's nice when they're relaxed like this, not crazy. They're walking this way and we're walking this way, back and forth, picking up the garbage.
Have a little bite in there.
Yeah.
This is the terrible one, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, she's terrible. And she's chubby.
She's gonna be pregnant, though.
Oh, she is very chubby. There's her boy, guapo. Yeah, this is a troublemaker too. chasing Canela, fighting Canela. Yeah, you little troublemaker. Yeah. Yes, you are. Right, Canela? Yeah, she was bugging you. It's time for me to go and make breakfast now. We picked up some garbage. The girls are here walking. So I gotta make breakfast. You already had some coffee with some quesadilla in the morning, first thing in the morning. Right, troublemaker and corazon. Corazon and a negrita. Oreo. Got two names, huh? Yeah, little troublemaker. Yes, you are. You're a troublemaker. And now a corazon. Hey, corazon. Hola. That's corazon. Big girl. Yeah, hola, corazon. And there's Blanca. And there's Canela. Smart girl right in the shade. Watching everything. And here's the girls. They're all in there. Except those two. They just came from walking the land on the other side. The other section. And now they're just laying in the shade. There's the girls. They like the shade. Y aquí son nuestras vacas en la sombra, le gustan la sombra después de caminar todo el día el otro lado. Aquí están las niñas. And here's the girls. They're resting. Right now it's a rest time. And it's actually so cool underneath here. When I was cleaning the poop, the caca de vaca, it was so nice and fresh underneath here. I wanted to bring a hammock over here and just lay down myself. Y aquí es muy fresquito en esta sombra, muy fresquito. So we are driving to Emia's because they invited us for Mother's Day for lunch. So yeah, we're gonna go see Emia's right now and his wife for Mother's Day.
Sí. Ay, ¿cuándo vamos a la casa? Un día de esto. Como tiene que, tenemos que comprar la otra bolsa del maíz, porque ahí está la que
That's Emia's
tiene que
sister-in-law.
comprar, miren. En la roja. Ahí tengo la otra, ¿verdad?
And here's Emia's sister-in-law and mother-in-law and family. Everybody's here. And this bag of corn costs $170 and it covers 2 manzanas. Here's our soup. Yummy. Chicken soup. Buen provecho. And this is it for our video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. You guys have a wonderful day. Adios.